Mĩeri na thutha wa thirikari gũthamia motungata ma urigitani wa arutani kuma kũrĩ kambuni ya Minet nginya mũbango-inĩ wa SHA, arutani matigĩtwo na kĩagago, rĩu makĩoya moko igũrũ makiuga SHA ndĩraruta wĩra. Kũringana na Kiama kĩa arutani Knut, maugĩte arutani maratangika magĩthiĩ kwamũkĩra motungata ma urigiti.
Medical has become an issue. Like we have said from all time immemorial, that the teacher of this country has not had a medical cover. We had our but in September last year, when Knut visited the head of state, we did agree that we will do away with our Minet and now bring on board SHA.
Makiaria marĩ mũcemanio ũrĩa ũrehete hamwe arutani a gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Malava mwena wa Tande, mũikarĩrĩte wa Knut wa mwena ũcio Shadrack Muyaka augĩte ona thengia wa gũkorwo na mĩario na President William Ruto ciĩgiĩ SHA, arutani no maratangĩka.
It is true that we have a universal health cover provided by the government of Kenya, and the teachers were given SHA as their cover, and we agreed with the head of state and the government that we are going to do a 3-month trial, and the 3-month trial, according to me, are now over. Now, but the teachers have not had the cover that they were looking for. SHA has not done what it was supposed to do.
Rĩu marenda ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gwetha kĩhonia gĩa thĩna ũrĩa ũmakũrĩire maitho na ihenya, na ona thengia wa ũguo marenda thirikari kũgerera ministry ya gĩthomo kuongerera mĩcara arutani arĩa mahaicĩtio ngathĩ.
We can always make amends. We are asking, can we go back and review our SHA so that SHA can help our teacher? Today we have very few facilities that are offering SHA. You go to a hospital, a teacher will not be treated. Why? Because SHA is not working. And we are addressing the same issue. I am happy today because we have had the Kenya National Union of Teachers national elections. And now I want to pass a message of congratulations to our president of the union, our SG brother Collins OU, that now that we have finished the elections, I want to beseech your office that the teachers are bleeding. And we are now pleading with you that kindly go sit down with the government and review SHA.
Handũ-inĩ ha KO TV, njĩtagwo Irimũ wa